Miss Doyle here. Each quarter, we talk about one of the tenets of the RACS matrix. And even though we can't be together today, we're going to go ahead and have our third quarter awards assembly virtually. So as you watch this video, think about your friends back at school and know that we're going to be together before you know it. So as you know, I'm Jen Doyle. I am the middle school principal at Rochester Academy Charter School. And each quarter we celebrate student success. We give awards for perfect attendance, excellent behavior, honor roll, high honor roll, and principal's award, which is a combination of all three. When we're in school in person, we also give an award for most improved. This acknowledges the students who made an extra effort to work on something that has been challenging to them. And this quarter, we're going to give an award for online superstar, for those students who are really stretching their muscles and doing their best working online. So stay tuned for that later in the program. The first thing that we do at each of these assemblies each quarter is I talk a little bit about one of the tenets of the RACS matrix. For those that don't know, the RACS acronym stands for, besides Rochester Academy Charter School, R is for respect, A is for accountability, C is for character, and S is for success. And character is what we talk about in the third quarter. And I look back at each of my speeches that I've made each quarter, and this time things are a little bit different. So character, according to the dictionary, is the mental and moral qualities distinctive to an individual. Character is a really complicated concept with a number of factors, but when you know a person, you can easily tell, you could easily delineate their character. COVID-19 and this long-term school closure has tested the character of our political leaders, our community, and ourselves. Any stressful situation, including this change in the way that we live and work, creates a test to our mental and moral capabilities. You're dealing with things and learning in a way that you've never learned before. Sometimes this means that you have to be much more independent than you were when we were in school. And this is not easy. This is a big challenge for middle school students, but you're up to it. I know that you are. You're probably dealing with spending a lot more time with your family than you otherwise would as well. Your character is evident in how you handle adversity. And right now, everyone is dealing with adversity. You're away from your friends. You're missing important milestones in your life, like moving up day or the formal dance at the end of the school year. Maybe you even missed your birthday party. None of this is fair. None of this is fun. And I'm sorry that you're going through this. I know, though, that you all have tremendous strength of character. And because of that, you'll make it through this and come back stronger on the other side. Knowing each of you as I do, I also know that even though this is a very challenging situation, you have such advanced skills in dealing with change and dealing with tough things that I know that you're handling this, and I'm very proud of all of you. So what can we do when we feel like your character is coming to the test? I recommend reaching out to a friend on the phone or on a video call, getting outside for a walk or a breath of fresh air. I also recommend taking the time that you need. Let's say you do something that you feel is out of character, like yelling at the people at home, which happened to me just this morning. You have a chance to make it right. You can take some time, take a deep breath, and figure out how to prevent doing this again. I talk with all the staff at school every week, and I know that I speak for everyone when I say that we're proud of you. We've seen most of you improve your skills in distance learning over the past few weeks. We know that you're learning new skills, balancing the challenges of home, and staying strong during this COVID closure. Even though we can't be together for third quarter awards, please join me in congratulating the students that will win awards today. Send them a text, send them some love, and welcome my special guest to present the awards. We love you. We miss you. We'll see you soon.
Hi, this is Ms. Dwyer, the secretary at RACS Middle School. I would like to announce the students who earned perfect attendance for the third marking period. Sixth graders are Jameer B., Christopher, Manny, Amani, and Karye. 7th graders are Shamari, Sir, Takira, Carmelo, and Eggie. And 8th graders, Brandon, Samaya, Sadie, Noah, Kiesia, Kayla, J. Louise, and Kumani. Congratulations, guys. You earned it.
Hi, Rax families. I am so proud of all of the hard work you're doing in our online learning. I have the honor and privilege today of announcing our 3rd marking period Excellence in Student Behavior Awards. I'll be starting out with our 6th graders. Students with no referrals during the 3rd marking period include Omar, Kyla, Mason, Malik, Emmanuel, Elijah, Tanasia, Zephora, Craig, Cheyenne, Kentrell, Brianna, Zaire, Nicholas, Jaden, Maddie, Jordan, Amari, Marcus, Yariel, Leo, Lewis, Victor, Janaya, Rebecca, Kiera, Brianna, and Rondell. Congratulations to all of our 6th graders who received no referrals during the 3rd marking period. Our students in 7th grade, Joseph, Abraham, Munir, Jaden, Camille, Tanaya, Tiziana, Cameron, Christopher, Jaleel, Liana, Shamari, Liliana, Devana, Sir, Nevea, Michael, Jonalise, Malaz, Cynthia, Myron, Kyrie, Flower, Gabriel, Tatiana, Jeremiah, Takira, Nisham, Eduardo, Carmelo, Jonathan, Xavier, Guerra, Delia, Antonio, Samaya, Jaden, Elizabeth, Layla, Karan, and Christy. Congratulations to all of our 7th graders who received no referrals during the 3rd marking period. And now for our 8th graders with excellent behavior. Giselle, Shamir, Heather, Mohammed, Tavaria, Tanushka, Deshay, Travell, Canron, Adari, Khalil, Sadie, Vizani, Torian, Shiloh, Stephen, Diamaya, Noah, Kiesia, James, Josue, Jamir, Joshua, Kayla, Adrian, Victoria, Edwin, Felicia, Alexander, Aaron, Shamar, Jaran, Christy, Janasia, Melisha, Mia, and Rasheen. Congratulations to all of our 8th graders for those of you who have earned no referrals during the 3rd marking period. Again, I want to congratulate all of our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders for achieving excellence in student behavior and earning no referrals during our 3rd marking period. And I am so proud of each and every one of you. Keep up the great work, and we hope to be together in person next year.
Students achieve honor roll when they earn a grade point average for the quarter between 85 and 91. The following students earned honor roll in grade 6 for quarter 3: Maddie, Rondell, Mason, Tanisha, Nicholas, Lakira, and Michaela. 7th graders who earned honor roll this quarter are Nevaeh G., Jonathan, Sir, Camille, Ige, Kimani, Carmelo, Jaleel, and Gabriel. And 8th graders who achieved honor roll this quarter are Mia, Khalil, Canron, Kayla R., Lizette, Rasheen, Stephen, Adari, Janasia W., and Vizani. Is achieved when students earn a grade point average between 92 and 100. 6th graders on the high honor roll for quarter 3 are Malik, Leonidas, and Angel. Congratulations. 7th graders who achieved high honor roll this quarter are Sanaya, Elijah, Shamari, Christopher, Brianna H., and Jaden S. 8th graders who earned high honor roll for quarter 3 are Octavia, Kylie, Tavaria, and Felicia. Congratulations.
Hello, Ms. Albertelli here to present the Quarter 3 Online Superstar Award. The following students in 6th grade have received this. Malik by Mr. Shelton. Kayana, nominated also by Mr. Shelton. Angel, nominated by Mr. McCullen. Maddie, nominated by Mr. McCullen. Lewis, nominated by Ms. Burkholder. Rondell, nominated by Ms. Bertel. Michaela, nominated by Ms. Bertel. Leo, nominated by Ms. Blasey. Leland, nominated by Ms. Fisher. Tanisha, nominated by Ms. Fisher. Tyshawn, nominated by Ms. Reed. And the following 7th graders have been nominated for the Online Superstar Award for Quarter 3. Ege by Ms. Smith. Nevaeh, nominated by Ms. Smith. Delia, nominated by Ms. Reed. Elijah, nominated by Mr. Wickman. Eddie, nominated by Mr. Wickman. Brianna, nominated by Ms. Dwyer. Jonathan, nominated by Ms. Dwyer. Christopher, nominated by Ms. Lopez. John Elise, nominated by Ms. Bertel. Janaya S., nominated by Ms. Bertel. Shamari, nominated by Mr. Harrelson. And the following 8th graders have been nominated for the Online Superstar Award for Quarter 3. Lizette, nominated by Ms. Prentice. Chad, nominated by Ms. Prentice. Tavaria, nominated by Ms. Shaver. Malaysia, nominated by Ms. Shaver. Tanuska, nominated by Ms. Benson. Divine, nominated by Ms. Roy. Kylie, nominated by Ms. Roy. Felicia, nominated by Mr. Goff. And James, nominated by Mr. Goff. Congrats.
I'm very pleased to announce that 6 students have achieved Principal's Award this quarter. Principal's Award is offered to students who have achieved all 3: perfect attendance, excellent behavior, and honor roll or high honor roll. From 7th grade, the winners of the Principal's Award for quarter 3 are Christopher, Shamari, Carmelo, Kimani, and Sir. Congratulations. And for 8th grade, we have one winner, Kayla. Congratulations, Kayla.